This is a Rosso Corsa, 1987 Ferrari F40, abandoned, forgotten, and left to decay in a junkyard. But today, we begin its journey back to life. Years of neglect have taken their toll on the Rosso Corsa paint. The once vibrant red is now chalky and faded. But there's still hope beneath the surface. Even the iconic prancing horse badge is buried under layers of dust. One gentle wipe, and the legend begins to emerge. Carefully, we load the F40 onto the trailer. Every movement is slow and deliberate. This car deserves respect, even in its broken state. The first wash in years. High-pressure water cuts through decades of grime, revealing glimpses of the original Rosso Corsa red underneath. Thick foam envelops the entire Ferrari F40. This is where the transformation truly begins. Layer by layer, we bring it back. Every detail matters. A soft brush cleans the intricate air vents, removing dirt that's been trapped for years. As the water rinses away the foam, we see the truth. The paint is dull and faded, but it's clean. Now the real work begins. Gently drying every panel with a microfiber towel. No harsh movements, just smooth, careful strokes across the weathered Rosso Corsa surface. The Ferrari F40 sits in our workshop for the first time. Clean, but tired. It's waiting for us to restore its glory. Opening the door reveals an interior frozen in time. Dust, wear, and memories of what this car once was. One bolt at a time, we remove the carbon fiber bucket seats. Each click of the wrench brings us closer to a complete restoration. The dashboard comes apart piece by piece. Every clip, every screw, carefully removed and labeled for the rebuild. The electrical system is complex and delicate. We label every wire, every connection. Organization now saves hours later. Completely stripped, the F40 is now just a bare shell, a blank canvas ready for perfection. The pedal assembly is unbolted slowly. Each mechanical connection is inspected as we dismantle the driver's interface.
Just one more. Clean and straight, no room for error. Every piece matters. This is how it was built. And this is how it stays.
Applying primer. Even coat, no drips. Watch the flow, too fast, it runs. This layer seals the prep work. One more pass, perfect coverage, ready for clear coat next.